Hey guys, it's Taco Master 3 and 5 here, and today we're going to be making some carnitas tacos by HelloFresh. So let's get into the video. So now we're going to look at the ingredients. So you want to cook it around 1 minute. So next, what you're going to want to do is grab your tortillas. What you want to do is get your meat that you have made and put some on there with a spoon. I forgot a spoon. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is what you're gonna do now is you're going to take a spoon like this and scoop some meat up, put it on the tortilla. I usually do like 2-3 scoops, like so. Okay, so now you're gonna want to add cheese to it now. So just open it up and sprinkle some, oh fuck, I missed everything. Some cheese on there, just like that. Okay. What I like to do, I'm not sure if you guys do this with your Mexican food, but sometimes I like to add some lime. So, yeah, what you do is you squeeze the lime. Like so. Okay, like that. And so then you can add some toppings like onions, or tomatoes. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't really like onions or tomatoes on my tacos, but you can if you want to. It's up to you. You can add other accessories to it, and yeah. So now what you're going to want to do is take your taco shell, soft shell taco, and do it like that. You can either do it like this or like you can like fold it up into a square, but this is like the normal way to do it, I guess. This is your taco, then yeah, that's pretty much the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is not a sponsored video by HelloFresh. I just wanted to make this video, just I thought it'd be fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe for more. And comment down below what else I should what else I should do for a video. I know this is kind of a fake video, but yeah, like and subscribe for more. And as always, keep eating those tacos. Bye.